Welcome, MarkType is my name. If you watch this video from start to finish, you will become the new Albert Einstein at using Excel, date, and time functions. I will also teach you DATEDIF function which is not yet documented in Excel. We have hypothetical events here and date time when they occurred. Let's begin by extracting year from the date time using the year function. And the serial number will be the date time. Use the month function to extract the month. And here the day function. To get the date, we use the date function which takes three arguments: the year, month, day. We can also extract date using the text function. It takes in two parameters, the value, which is the date time, and now you can be creative in the way you format your text. But remember to begin with double quotes and close also with double quotes. Say, I take in day, / month, / year. Okay. You can as well use the dash instead of the / And there you have it. If you want to replace the numerical form of the month with the shorthand text form of the month, you can add another M to the month side to obtain it that way. Today function returns today's date, takes no arguments. I'm recording this on the 13th of March 2025. Now the DATEDIF function takes the difference between two dates. Suppose this event took place on this date and today is this date. We want to calculate how many days since that event occurred. So let's put it DATEDIF. And as you can see, it doesn't pop up because it's not documented in Excel. It takes three arguments. The first one is the original date when the event took place. The second is today's date. And the third is the way you want to return your answer in terms of days. We'll just write D to represent the days. And there you have it. Let's copy the same formula to the rest. There you have it. Let's proceed to Excel time functions. To get the hour, use the hour function. Serial number is the date time. Minute function. Second. And now to get the time, use the time function. Takes in the hour, minute, and the second. We can also extract time using text function. And the date time is the value. You can be creative as well with how you format your text. You can take hour, minute, second. Remember to close with double quotes. And there you have it. You can choose to have the hour, minute form only. and you still have it. This is 24-hour clock system. If you want AM PM format, you can just come there and write AM/PM to convert. Now function returns the current date and time formatted as a date and time. It takes no arguments. Okay. And now there is another function called EOMonth, end of month. And for this example, this is the 20th of March. It will return the last day of March. EOMonth, give the date time as the start date and 0 as the month. And there you have it. So March ends on 31st. Select and use autofill feature, and there you have it. You are now Albert Einstein at Excel date and time functions. This video has been definitely valuable unto you, and subscribe to be part of the family, and I will see you in the next video.